For this presentation, I'm going to drop all pretense of correct statistical terminology of reject and fail to reject the null hypothesis. These terms make explanations of things like test power confusing. Instead, I'm only going to use accept and true. Don't do this in public. It isn't officially correct. Test power is simple. Test power is the probability of accepting the alternate hypothesis when the alternate hypothesis is true. This is easiest to understand with a non-statistical example. There is a program on Netflix called Is It Cake? Contestants are shown real items like shoes, tool bags, and baseball mitts, and what looks like those items, but made of cake. The contestants have to guess which of the displayed items are cake. The null hypothesis is not cake. The alternative hypothesis is cake. The power of the contestant's decision, the power of the test, is the probability of choosing cake when the item is really cake. The power of the test can't be chosen in advance, like the significance level. Instead, test power depends on how different the cake items are from the real items. The contestants stand 10 feet from the displayed items and have 20 seconds to view the items. Then they choose which items they think are cake. The power of the test depends on how well the cake items are prepared, how far the contestants are from the items, and how long the contestants get to look before choosing. A cake shoe that doesn't look like the real shoe is easy to declare as cake. The power of the test is high, since the null hypothesis and the alternative are very different. Choosing cake is easy. The power of the test is lower if the cake items look almost exactly like the real thing. The probability of correctly identifying cake as cake is low. The power of the test increases as the distance between the contestants and the items decreases. Standing 5 feet away rather than 10 feet would make it easier to detect cake as cake. If the contestants could actually touch the items, the power of the test would be 100%. Having more time to view the items would also increase the power of the test. A longer viewing time would increase the chance of identifying cake as cake. Officially, the power of the test is rejecting the null hypothesis when the alternative hypothesis is true. That's just the long version of Is It Cake?